Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 8 power x plus 8 power x equal to 100. Now we are going to take common out 8 power x open bracket 1 plus 1 equal to 100. Now 8 power x times 2 equal to 100. Now divide by 2 on both sides. By 2, this 2 cancels this. So we have 8 power x equal to 2 times of 50. This 100 can be written as by 2. This 2 cancels this. So we have 8 power x equal to 50. Now take a log on both sides. Log 50 log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to apply this here. So x log 8 equal to log 50 divided by 8 on both sides. Log 8. Now this log 8 cancels this. X equal to log 50 by log 8. X equal to log 50 can be written as 2 times 25 by log 8. Log product formula: log AB equal to log A plus log B. This we are going to apply here. X equal to log 2 plus log 25 by log 8. Now x equal to log 2 by log 8 plus log 25 by log 8. X equal to log 2 by log, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 plus log 25 can be written as 5 power 2 by log 2 power 3. Log m power p equal to p log m. So x equal to log 3 log 2 plus 2 log 5 by 3 log 2. This log 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 log 5 by log 2 log A by log B log A base B. X equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2. So x equal to 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 by 3. This is the x value. To check 8 power x plus 8 power x equal to 100. Now 8 power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 by 3 plus 8 power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 by 3 equal to 100. 2 power 3 open bracket 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 by 3 plus power 3 open bracket 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 by 3 equal to 100. 3 cancels this. Same way this 3 cancels this. So 2 power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 plus this is 2. 2 power 1 plus 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 100. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. 2 power 1 times 2 power 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2 power 1 times 2 power 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 100. 2 times 2 power, this 2 can be come here and so log 5 square base 2 plus 2 times 2 power log 5 power 2 base 2 equal to 100. A power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this here and here. So 2 times of 5 square plus 2 times of 5 square equal to 100. Now 2 into 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 5 square is 25 equal to 100. 50 plus 50 equal to 100. Now 100 equal to 100. So LHS equal to